Hey everybody, it's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your Wednesday afternoon update. As you can see, today's weather was quite sunny, and we're up to about 45. As really, we have clear weather pretty much all throughout the country. There's really no major weather systems except for west of the Mississippi. This one out here in the Pacific Northwest, delivering some snows to the Cascades and the upper Rocky Mountains, and rain back in the uh, Seattle and Portland, Oregon area. To the southeast, we have a small wave that is going off the coast, which really isn't going to impact us. And we have a few elongated troughs, which are just, you know, keeping the keep it. They're more like they're like stationary fronts. They kind of just sit there until something pushes them out. Tomorrow looks like we more of the same in our area, but we do have a trough setting up south, kind of central PA to Marietta, Georgia, and I'm sorry, Atlanta, which there's a passing shortwave which may deliver some, maybe a passing shower and clouding up the skies, but nothing significant. It'll be scattered in nature. And then Thursday, as this system gets closer to us, we'll start to see some uh, cooler air, and maybe some setup for um, some rain later Friday into Saturday. And there's a couple scenarios which it could be a rain on the front end and some light snow on the back end as a wave develops on the initial front. So really not much has been happening. I do want to tell you about the polar vortex because we're going to be visiting. That's going to be visiting us very soon. So the polar vortex is a group of winds that are mainly up at the poles, North Poles, and it runs in a circular um, uh, fashion because we have a strong jet stream. Um, when this occurs when there's no stratospheric warming event. It kind of is contained to the northern tier of the country and in Canada. When there is a significant stratospheric warming event, which there has been, then that cold seeps down into the middle of the country and seeps down to the east. Now, this could be a potential weather maker come middle to late month. And as you can see, this pieces of this will be dropping, and this is just a simulation of how the polar vortex kind of works. So right now, if you notice in like Madrid, Spain, for instance, they're having a lot of snow. It's been quite wintry in that neck of the woods. So what is going to occur in our area for the next couple of days? Like I said, tomorrow pretty much a carbon copy, warming up in the middle. Then this passing shortwave, which comes through late Thursday, which most of it stays to the north and to the south of us. And then we have this coming in on Saturday. Now, this could come in as a small front delivering some scattered snow showers, and then there have been some model projections which have shown a wave that develops once it gets offshore, that a wave develops somewhere along the mid-Atlantic, just off the coast of New Jersey or further down. Now, the more south it forms, perhaps that gives us more precipitation coming into this cold air, we could see some scattered snowflakes, snow showers kind of thing. But it really wouldn't get ramped up until it's just off the New England coast, and that of course would be more for interior sections than it would be for the I-95 area. So we go into Saturday and Sunday. We have another passing, and this cold air is really cold. Okay, so I mean, just to give you an idea of this cold coming in, by the 22nd, you can kind of see that after that date, the polar vortex comes flying down. That piece that just kind of drops, or it has a swingy motion and sweeps across. That might open the door for more opportunities for some significant wintry weather. We're just going to have to wait and see. But this is going to be very, very cold air that comes in. Now, there are various circumstances that occur that don't let it snow. Sometimes the systems are suppressed to the south. Sometimes the systems are too progressive. Sometimes they don't phase early enough. Sometimes they phase too late. So there's varying scenarios out there. But for right now, it doesn't look as though there's going to be a significant major snowstorm in the next few weeks. It looks like, if anything, we have passing shots of potential either snow showers or a little steady snow to a dusting. Okay, so that's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.